Hello everybody, welcome to another Wobbly Life video. We have Frank, Eli, and me. What?
You just said Frank, Eli, and me.
Yeah, they're allowed. We can say their names now.
Yeah.
Oh, and
What
Caleb,
about me?
Caleb, right.
Hello?
Frank. I have a car waiting for you outside, come on.
Oh.
Wait, who's in this game?
I have a car waiting for you outside.
Eli, join the game.
Oh, I was just going to my job.
No, outside, not...
What the heck? Why is Frank an old man?
Why?
It's literally my character.
What?
That's a good point.
Right,
Hey guys, do you want to check out my new invention, the Blowy Uppy 5000?
The Blowy Uppy 5000, sure.
The Blowy Uppy 5000.
Otherwise known as an unmodified helicopter.
Sure, why not?
All I do is crash into you and then you explode.
We can hear you.
Barely.
Ah!
What just happened?
Something very, very delightful. I attacked the old man.
Hey guys, first one to get in my helicopter gets a free ride. Just kidding.
Guys,
Yeah.
Wait! I'm coming!
Fine.
No!
wait What?
Ah! Let's go!
Wait, did I get my helicopter stolen?
Yeah. Yeah.
You done that
Stole my helicopter. Oh my god.
Ding, name messed
There
up.
is no way Brothers did that.
What did I do? What did Grandpa just do?
No! Yes!
Why? What are
You
you
tried
doing?
blowing up my plane.
Mr. Boost, rewind.
You have a plane? Kian is a plane? Kian is a plane confirmed? Sus?
Blowy Uppy!
Sus?
It's like Among Us. His tasks. He's faking the
You're a
task.
failure.
What?
He's a little sus. He's faking his task, guys.
Bro just tried to fake medbay scan.
Why aren't
you
dead?
Because I'm alive.
Ah.
Yo.
Why did I not crash?
But, I don't want you to be like...
Kian, what are you doing? Why are you on a hoverboard?
Why not?
Oh wait, this is the place where I murdered Liam, remember? Like right over here?
Yeah.
From that other video that we don't talk about.
Sus. He's sus.
Shh, you never.
Like Among Us, like
Caleb's being sus. Caleb's being sus. He's committing war crimes.
War crime? You didn't do anything!
What? I just heard Among Us war crimes. I am very concerned.
Not Among Us war crimes.
War crimes in Among Us.
One time I was playing Among Us, right? I saw somebody try and fake medbay.
Yo!
Bro, I have faked medbay
really?
scans so many times and actually got away with it.
No, this is no.
Yeah.
It's not possible.
Yeah, because if you can't, if you turn on, you can't. If you turn on can't see tasks, then you can. It's possible.
Oh, if you turn off visual tasks.
Oh no. Who will win, a jet or a UFO? Most
Actually,
likely
this is not a UFO. This is an egg FO.
Egg UFO, same thing. You know what?
Egaplo.
It's not the same thing. Wait, what is your car doing?
Hi, Jet. Have a good day.
Wait, where is Frank?
The train ran
He's in the
over
train.
that guy outside of it.
Now where's Eli? I repeat, he has made it to the jets. He has a jet.
I'm coming.
He has a jet.
I'm going to.
Get him.
I'm going to help stop this menace.
He's heading over to you. He's about to run into you.
He missed. He missed again.
Oh!
I'm not
He's
missing.
mid.
I'm not missing.
He's
Are you just
trying.
being annoying?
He's circling us.
Yes.
He's juking us.
He just juked us. Kian, I have a plan. Follow me.
We're gonna make Top Gun Maverick. Get the jet. Get the jet.
What?
We can't.
Ah!
No!
You can't roll this.
Leave me alone.
No, no, trust me, guys. I
I'm right
am the
behind
best
him.
fighter jet
Ah,
pilot
I
in
got
this
him.
Minecraft server. Oh, I
I'm trying to catch
crashed
the old man.
into the trees. The snow
No,
is
he's about to spawn a
turning
vehicle. He's spawning a
red. I
vehicle.
think.
He's not
Oh,
spawning a vehicle. Where did he go? Oh, he's in there.
dashing through the snow on a pair
Ah!
of broken
I'm on his
skis.
vehicle.
Ow.
Ah! Ah!
You're
Ah!
definitely gonna get this copyrighted.
Ah!
Does anybody
I'm
have an
still
egg
holding
apple?
on.
What?
Yes! No, Frank, I
Bring
got
it.
it. Stop. Frank,
Bring
stop.
it.
I got it. I got it.
He did it. I got it.
Enemy fighter spotted.
All right.
I'll see him.
Wait, I'm doing this to Eli.
Get him! Get him! Get him! I'll go save the survivor.
Enemy fighter landing.
No, I hit the survivor! I hit the survivor!
Kill me.
I tried saving the survivor, but I killed him.
What is wrong with you?
Ah! He didn't explode!
Good to know.
Ah!
It's fine. It's fine. Just steal the jet. Or
I
something.
have the jet!
I don't know.
He has a UFO! Run! Go!
Kian?
Go!
Kian,
Abort to
follow me.
Paradise Island!
Follow me,
Oh,
Kian.
Eli's advanced
Or
on
not.
your plane, but there is a flying vehicle.
Yeah, Kian, where are you? Follow me. Get behind me. You ready? We're gonna go for a little ride. He can't get us
Okay.
down here. Come on, follow me.
You're right, he can't, but we might crash down here. Alright, go up, go.
You might. 'Cause you suck.
Oh my God.
You see, I'm a good pilot.
I am too,
Who
but we
definitely did
almost
not just
crashed
almost
into
crash.
each other. We both almost crashed.
Hey, young Kian, are you
go,
actually a
no,
good pilot?
go over to the ice cave. Go over to the ice cave.
Got it.
We can hide in there. He's coming down to me! He's coming for me.
Kian, jump. Kian, jump. Jump out. Or
Jump?
off. Or whatever. Jump off the platform. I'll catch you.
No, you won't! You're above the platform!
Say goodbye to
I
your
aren't-
jet.
I'm below now. Come on, Kian.
My jet!
Jump. Kian, jump. It's your only option.
Yeah! I jumped!
Okay,
Wait,
now I need to catch you. Grab on. Quick.
Let's
You make
go! Let's go! Let's go! Ah!
Keep
Ah!
grabbing on. Keep grabbing on. Keep grabbing on. I'm gonna take us for a ride.
Ah!
Oh, I thought that was you. Sorry.
You
We
thought
no
I
longer
was
have-
the ocean?
Kian, get out. Follow me.
I'm out, I'm out, I'm
Yep.
out.
I got a bumper car.
That's not a bumper
You
car,
wanna
that's a
fight?
I'm
boat.
pretty sure it is. Kian, just get in my hovercraft.
Go! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go. Man, this is the
Oh, bro just got
weirdest
juked.
chase
I
ever.
just
No,
juked,
you
bro.
didn't.
Wait, why are we running
Bro
from
just got
them?
juked.
2 hours later.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Go,
Ah!
go, go.
My arm is stuck!
Kian, get in, quick.
Yes.
Ah!
Yes.
I'm trying to, I'm stuck! No!
Kian, I'll catch you. Get on.
Ah,
Dang it. Kian.
Dun, 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 dun,
he's coming for you!
Get
He's
on.
gonna run into you!
Grab on, grab on, grab on.
Go, go, go!
Wait, you're not grabbing. Grab on.
Go, go, go!
No.
Yes! Let's go!
I have a plan. I know how we can lose them.
I respawned.
Frank's on us, though.
Yeah. Go to Paradise Island. Trust me. I thought you guys were on ground.
Kian, get the van, get the van. Kian, get the van.
The van. All right, I'm getting the van.
We're not.
What?
Kian, I'm coming.
Get in!
Brave!
What?
Let's go.
Let's go!
I pulled a smart.
Oh no!
I pulled a fast one on Eli. Go.
Go.
Grabbing them.
Kian, I pulled a fast one on Eli.
I have an
Eli
idea.
grabbed
I
me.
have an idea, but it's crazy. Okay.
Kian, hang on. Can you
You
hear
know
me?
that
Can
cave
you
to
listen
get
to me?
the hoverboard that's over here in the lake? We're gonna go through there.
Okay. Also, Kian. So Eli grabbed me, right, and then he stood on top of the UFO. He was still grabbing me, and I was stuck in ragdoll. So what I did is I went in the UFO and then went out so I could jump.
Oh my gosh. What is this?
We're high damage. We're high damage. We take one more hit, we're dead.
Oh shoot.
Correct.
Oh, that's what they're trying to do.
Kian, jump out. Kian, jump out.
What little do they know? That's what I'm trying to do too. Okay, never mind.
Kian.
Whee! I was trying to get onto it so then it would launch me up in the air, but that's just not how it went.
I can see.
It gets everybody stuck in a cutscene.
I have an idea. Respawn to the other place, okay? Respawn to the other place. 3, 2, 1. Oops, I respawned in the cave! I respawned in the cave and he thought that I respawned out of the cave.
God!
Kian, you juked me.
You went.
I'm your teammate. You weren't supposed to do that.
Duped everyone. No.
I thought you'd see that coming.
My team lag! So bad.
I thought you would see that coming.
No! You said respawn, so he does.
Ah!
Kian, do you want me to save you?
The hamster ball.
No,
Lad.
I don't need saving.
Ow,
Oh my
I need
gosh!
saving.
Hamster ball! Hamster ball! Get the hamster ball and go into the water.
Oh, you saw my plan.
You will float. Trust me. Why did Eli leave? Bro! Caleb, why? Fine, you can be back on my team. Just let me get this.
I'm done.
Bye.
Wait for me. Kian, wait. Kian, wait. Kian, wait.
Woo! Come on, why is this thing falling? Bro, this thing falls so fat or so slow. He's
Frank
coming
Thomas.
down! It falls so slow.
Why does it fall so slow?
See,
Epic car
why
chase of
didn't
the
you guys
century.
dye the thing, dye the color? Why didn't you guys change
Because
the
we're
color?
normal. How is there
Why
water
does it
inside the
happen?
ball?
I don't know, good question.
What
How
is
are we
happening here,
floating?
guys? I don't think the viewers expected this.
Did you cut this out? But we and
No.
Oh no, I am not cutting this out. Also, bro, if you don't want to play, you can leave.
Yeah.
Stop.
Plus, we need a lot of footage. Also, Caleb, I'm gonna be doing
Ian.
videos with Landon on Gmod, so.
Oh yeah, how much footage do we have?
About like 20 minutes, I think. That's pretty
Yeah,
good
we need
for
30
a first
minutes.
Gmod video, though.
For what?
It's good enough. It's good enough for like the first Gmod video.
Get back your
No,
can.
no, Kian, how much do we have on this recording right now?
Oh, on this recording, 51 minutes.
Kill.
Okay, we're done. But yeah,
Oh,
let's
really?
call it.
Really?
Yeah, that's a lot of footage.
No, we're
That's
doing
way too much.
we're doing an epic hamster chase in the water.
No,
Yeah.
Caleb has
we're
to
running
do this.
Yeah, I have to edit all that, and I know that that's not gonna edit down to the time I need it to. So we
yeah.
gotta call it.
Anyways,
Oh.
We gotta call this.
have a good day, guys.
Bye.
See ya,
Video.
nerd.